Vercel used this one trick to get ChatGPT to drive over 10,000 new users every single month to their platform. In this video, I'm going to break down the strategy that Vercel used to trick ChatGPT to recommending their business, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. My name's Harrison Knoll. I've successfully bootstrapped a company to over 8 figures in revenue and gained over 140,000 subscribers on my other YouTube channel, and I've dedicated my life to figuring out how to get your business to rank inside of AI. That one trick that Vercel used is called GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. And this is different than social media marketing and SEO where you're trying to rank in Google. This is a technique tailored directly to ranking inside of AI models like ChatGPT. And the core to this strategy right now is creating a file called llms.txt. Here you can see Vercel's llms.txt file. It is a ton of information, but you'll notice this is totally different than traditional SEO content. So before you were writing blog posts and you were trying to make tags inside of your HTML, but this information is all AI optimized information because they don't want just meta tags and blog posts and keywords. AI wants context and lots of context. So really what you're doing is you're creating a honeypot of great information optimized for AI on your website, so that way all these AI companies like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Google Gemini can grab your data and ingest it and help surface your brand and your products inside of the AI results. Okay, pause for a second. Now we know this new thing called GEO is working because Vercel is reporting getting over 10,000 new registered users every month coming directly from ChatGPT. And we also know that this is a very new thing. So we're seeing the early adopters already starting to take advantage of the system and rank inside of these AI models. So I think it's important right now to take a deeper look into one of these llms.txt file and start discussing exactly what type of data goes in one of these and what will help you rank higher inside these LLM models. So when you start jumping into these llms.txt files, you're gonna notice a few peculiarities. One, it's written in Markdown. And these things are very complex. There's a lot of information in here. But actually there's an intuition about this file that's gonna help you understand why it works so well. And that intuition is LLMs like to be prompted with data that looks very similar to their training data. So if you give it data that looks like it's training data, then it will output very good results for you. It likes to get information in the format that looks similar to its training data to optimize the output that the LLM is gonna get. This is like the trick that you wanna play. So now when you start looking at these llms.txt file, you're gonna notice a few things. You're gonna start seeing ordered list, step-by-step instructions. You're gonna see a lot of very detailed information, and this is looking similar to their training data. Not identical, but similar. And then I want you to look at how much data is inside this file. There's a lot of data in these files actually, much more than would be in a typical blog post or on a landing page or just on your website in general. This is very verbose data. It's all the information you could possibly want to put about your business inside one of these files. And that's going to help get a good signal into the model for the LLM to respond about your business. So it needs to be written kind of like training data in Markdown format, and it needs to be very verbose and about every little nuanced thing about your business. Now, we actually saw this as a challenge in order to build these files and also make them dynamic, because your business information isn't static. You don't just build one file and then put it on your website, and that's gonna be all the information about your business for all time. So what we built is a solution called Listed that generates these files and gives you a developer experience where you can communicate with an agent to keep updating your data over time and always maintaining the best information in order to get your business to rank and to have your business information accurately represented by the AI models. And now if you are serious about capturing the traffic of the internet of the future using the same strategy that Vercel did of GEO, then you can go over to getlisted.ai and create a free account and list your company's llms.txt file on your website today and start deploying the same GEO strategy. Now, I have a lot of other content I'm gonna show you about the Listed platform. Inside of there, there's also analytics, which tracks your ranking across all the AI models, as well as how accurate the information they talk about your business is. And then also there are workflows that the agentic system comes up with in order to continuously improve your llms.txt file and your AI ranking. I'm gonna show you those on other videos in the future, but right now, if you're serious about capturing the internet traffic of the future and using the GEO strategy, go over to getlisted.ai and start capturing that traffic by making your own llms.txt file and listing it on your website. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Stay tuned for more. This is a highly dynamic field, and we're here every day fighting for you to rank in the age of AI. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.